Alright, so first up, you need to make sure wherever your GTA 5 is downloaded, and just keep that file in mind and just go ahead and find that file. So if you want to find that file, let's say for example, if you've downloaded through Epic Games, there are various platforms where you can download just like Steam, Rockstar, its own website, and Epic Games. I don't have GTA 5, but I'm just going to show you how you can find the folder. Let's say if it's this game right over here, you just got to go ahead and press on these three dots right over here, and you'll see the option of manage. Just go ahead and press on manage. And right next to installation, you'll see open install locations. Go ahead and press on that. And it will show you this location right over here, which will tell you on this right over here as well. And you just got to keep in mind that you have to know your GTA 5 installed location. Once you know that, just go ahead and open up your web browser, and once you do that, and yeah, here we are. Once you open it up, just type in FiveM and Google search it up and just go ahead and open up the website. Once you do this, just go ahead and press on download client and say, press sure I agree. And it's just going to say thank you and stuff like that. And it's going to install in a second. Just go ahead and open it up. And here, as you can see, it's getting to installed. Just gotta wait, and here as you can see, there's our very own FiveM, and it's just gonna take a while to download, and I'll be just right back when it's downloaded. And here we are. Once the FiveM is downloaded, here as you can see, it's just gonna straight up tell you where you want to put it up, and you know where you want to put it up because your GTA 5 location. And for example, I'm just gonna use Rockstar Games for this one. Just go ahead and press on Rockstar Games, and I do have a folder for it. I just created one, and just select GTA 5 and press open, and press open again, and you know what to do. Just press install and open up, and it will say does not contain GTA 5 because I don't have GTA 5, but you just need to have GTA 5 for that. And once it's done, it's just gonna you can simply open up FiveM, and it's just gonna work if you got GTA 5 and you've pretty much installed it. And yeah, hope you find it useful. See you soon.